Let me just update this. Can you hear me? I think it's complicated to talk like this. I have to find a nice microphone. I'm trying. I'm trying to find a nice microphone. Nicer, not a nicer microphone, but a better position here. This is not a good position for my microphone. See, I just want to see if I'm streaming. Everything is working. Yep, I think so. I think we are. My microphone. We are live. Yeah, we're live. Let me see. I just want to see if I'm streaming. Everything is working. Yeah, it sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. I think we are good. So today I decided to start a new challenge in my life, which is inspired by this book over here, Can Hurt Me, from David Goggins. David Goggins. More specifically in this chapter 3. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? You can see it right here, right? But can you see it? It's kind of complicated. Chapter 3. It's hard. Okay. So, chapter 3, we have a challenge, which is doing something uncomfortable every single day and post it in the internet, on the social medias. But I don't have social media, so this is a nice place to record this, to register my uncomfortable challenges every single day, right? Let me see if someone is sending me a message here. Okay. So today the challenge is this Android developer question here is a Hacker Hank question. So Hacker Hank challenge. That's what it is. And I will try to solve this. I have to solve this in less than 9 minutes or so, or less. Yeah, 90 minutes or less. And this is something for one of my. This is a challenge. Oh, that's what I'm going to try to do today. So let's start the session, and let's go. Jump right away. Oh my god, I have to create an account. Can I use my, let me use my email for this. Seriously. I have to create an account too. Oh, my name. Full name. Okay. Work experience, 10 years, man. Let's say 5 years or so. I agree. Let's go. Now, I think the questions will be based on my time experience with Android. But the thing is, Android is really complicated because, think about it. There's a lot of things that you have to know in Android. It's so vast environment. It's a vast ecosystem of APIs and so on and so forth. So it's kind of impossible to know everything. So let's start. So let's see. What is this? I think the timer already started. So we have this thing over here. Android array filters. The app main purpose is to show the list of employees depending on the applied filter parameter. Okay. You can set different parameters in the app. First, you can add a new employee. Text selection has been disabled in this region. Okay. Also, you can remove employee from the list. So we have a list. So this question is already tough because it's XML, and I don't have I'm not using XML for a while now. I don't haven't been or I'm not using XML in a while. I think that's the correct way to say it. I'm not sure. Well, but doesn't matter. Let's keep on going. So you can set different parameters in the app. First, you can add a new employee. Also, you can remove an employee from the list. Finally, you can set minimum and maximum salary to the filter parameters and apply it to the list of employees. Employees. Okay, you have to make a filter to the name or part of the name in comprehension in comparison with the salary. Sorting buttons is added to the app bar. The sorts employees by salary level is ascending and descending order. There are two arrays lists which are full employee. Oh, so many things, man. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Let's keep on going. Let's keep reading. What? Oh, okay. Sorting button is added to the app bar. The shorts employees by salary level is ascending in descending order. Let me take a look on this. Hide animation array. The app's main purpose is to show the list of employees depending on the apply filter parameter. So this is okay. Let me see this. What is this? This is the app open Java project. I don't know what is going on here. We are loading things. Seems like this is an Android application running. It's just like the project. To have no filter, have salary is less than, and then you can put a salary there, and then the guys will appear. Okay, name. Can use the name, bro, and we put a salary. Oh, we are adding things here. Okay. Name or part of the name, bro. Name equals bro. Okay. We have a name equals, name contains, salary is less. Everybody that has salary is less. A lot of filters happening here. Okay, but you can set different parameters in the app. First, you can add a new employee. Okay, we can add a new employee. Also, you can remove an employee from the list. So basically, we have a list of employees that we can remove. We can add and remove it. You can add and remove it from. Good. Finally, you can set minimum and maximum salary to a filter parameter and apply it to the list of employees. That's good. You can have you have to make a filter to the name. Can you hear me? Okay. To the name or part of the name in comparison with the salary. Okay. You can make a or part of the name and comparison with the salary. Okay, we can make filters for the name and the salary. Comparisons for the salary. Sorting button. Sorting. We have a sorting button. Sorting button is added to the app bar that sorts employees by salary level in ascending or descending order. So we have also a sort. That's easy. Where is the button? Top bar. I'm not seeing the button. Clean data, filter, add. We don't have any sorting here, sorting button anywhere. This is a lie. But yeah, okay, level of seniority. There is our two, okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. There are two arrays lists, which are full employee arrays list and filter employee array list. Full employee list means all the employees in the app. Okay. Filter employee list shows the employees list after the filter parameter are applied. Okay, that's good. Filter employee array list shall contain filtered full employee array list after follow methods execution. Get employee salary less than and more than shall contain a list of employees who have a salary that is more than a specified minimum value and less than the specified maximum value. Get employee equal name less than shall contain the list of employees with the exactly specified name and who have the salary less than a specified maximum value. What the heck? Get employee equal name less than. So shall contain the list of employees with the exact specified name and who have the salary less than the specified maximum value. Oh, Jesus Christ, so many get employee equal name less than and more than shall contain the list of employees with the exact specified name who have the salary that is more than a specified minimum value and less than a specified maximum value. Get employee contains par name less than shall. I don't know how to say this. Let me do it real quick. Can I change tabs? Or I will lose my progress here. Shall. I knew it that I was saying this wrong. Shall. Dever. Shall. Okay. Shall contain the employees with the part specific name who have the salary less. Okay, we have this contains. We have contains part name more than. Contains part name less than. The last one is get employee contains part name less than and more than. That's boring as fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. We'll get salary less. So this is just salary. This is name, equal name, less and more than, equal name, more than. Oh, that's so stupid. Choose option. Method applies a filter parameters, add properties, filter method, switch case statement. Choose option. Method applies filter parameters. Let me see. Sorting salary maximum to mean shall contain the list of employees sorted from the minimum and maximum salary. Okay. Got it. So but why I will create this in read only file or follow the following file or marked read only. You cannot edit. But my friend, where is the here. So here's the instructions, and here we have already the project. Okay, that's good. That's nice. So we have tests here. Java. Oh, this is the app. Okay, can we click here? Oh, the app's already working. So we have a room. What is this room? Employee. Let me see. Okay, we have the employee salary. Oh, that's so easy. Seriously. So sort main. Let me see main activity. What we have here? What we have here, we have a bunch of methods. All the methods, I guess. So this is run, click, run, build and run. What is this? Main activity. On create, we are doing a bunch of stuff. Views. What is this? On create, we are starting or views. Use biting. That's good. That's good. In each data, check add employee. We have a function already here. Check existing employee. Delete employee. So full employee. So this is the. Okay, we have two arrays. Current sort maximum to min. Sort and none. Did I change something in this file already? I don't think so. I'm just clicking. Oh, I have a problem here. Name. What is the name in unit? Get salary. Jesus Christ. How many can I create things here? Sort and num. What is this? Minimum. Event listening. Delete. Okay. Is something working here? Let me see. Click. Can we do something? Salary. Let me put the salary. Salary. Add. Nothing happened. Okay, I think there is no method working. Drink a little water. Nothing is working. Let me put some song here, right? Just to relax a little bit. Nothing is here. Let me see. Delete all. So we have this init data method. Bindings, insert employees, new employee. Where is this came from? John was creating just a new employee. Where is John here? Oh, we don't have. Do we have a recycler view? I will have to create a recycler view? Seriously? Oh my god. You're kidding me, right? Yeah, we don't have a recycler. Oh, we do. We do. Thank God. Where we got this? The instance. Let me see. Recycler view. I miss my editor. Can I find stuff here? How will I find things here? Okay, employees. Has been so long. Has been so adapter. Filter. What is this? Recycler adapter. Let me see. I don't remember how to use recycler views. Employees adapter. So we need recycler view. Employees list. For some reason the recycler view is not working. That's the first thing we should take care of because we need to see the recycler view. List of employees. We are here. We are here. So this is the recycler view. Oh, all the methods are here. They're already okay. They start a new array list. It's not a multiple list. Filter, update screen. I have this method update screen. Let me see, where is update screen? Yeah, update screen. Right over here, update screen. Adapter update, notify. Everything's working fine here. Delete. Everything is implemented. Why this is not working? Activity project, okay. Okay, everything already is implemented already. Let me see. Update screen. In each data. This is a recycler view adapter. The employee adapter is start with the empty list. Okay. So here we have the recycler view fill find all employees. Find all employees. Okay. And we pass the event listener. Is this? So this activity is listening to recycler view. Okay. And which events we are listening to? Let me see overriding. Well, we are override. I hate this type of architecture. Choosing option. Overriding delete employee, and we are overriding choose option. Is this the only thing we have in the listening? Is delete employee, choose option. Let me see the filters. If I click on the filters, yeah, we have filters here. Okay. Oh, we have data now. How about data now? Delete. Okay, filter. Oh my god. Okay, name. No filter. Okay. Let me add someone. My salary was a lot of money. I want a lot of money. Add. What happened? Filters. No filter. Okay, for some reason, the screen is not updated. It's not updating. So output, activity test provider, terminal, debug, console. Time is running. Let me see. What we can do here is just log things. So create option. Okay, option selected. This is from create option menu. No, it's not this. Okay, so this delete. I think this is working, and we have this one. Can we print things here? Filter. I just wanna filters and no. Let me see. You just run. Build successful. Deploying. That's crazy. Let me see. Filters. And then I say, okay. So we have this, right? Output. Terminal. Filter. Let me see. Salary less than minimum salary. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Max. Salary is more than maximum salary. Yeah, nothing's working here. Okay. Yeah. Let me just select no filter. Let me see. If I press OK, no filter. Okay is not doing, it's doing nothing. Let me see what OK does here. I don't think OK is working. So filter and we need this is the filter alert. Let's see. OK button. Do we have OK button? Check. It's checked. Name, minimum salary, choose. Name. Where's the buttons? The OK button. Nice. Do we have events to the OK button? I don't think so. Okay, let me take a look at the dialogue. Check. View. Dismiss. Right over here. If. Option listening. Choose option. What? Get button. Button positive. Alert. Get button. What is this get button? Oh, it's a Java class. Alert button positive. This is a name. set listener. So when we click, is this happening? Let me see. Print. Button clicked. Seriously? Come on, man. This is take more than I was expecting. Okay, first thing, let's go to the filters. Just check if this is working. Click. Select something here and click. So where is the output? Let me see output. Filter, task. Kotlin, I don't know what it is. What is this? I should be able to see the logs, right? I guess. Click. So yeah, no logs. Console. Debug session, evaluate expression, please. It started a bug session. Remove the filters, problems, bunch of problems. It's never used. Look, bunch of problems we have. It's never used. Button. Bunch of things that never used. Maximum salary, never used. Okay, we have a bunch of problems, man. Kotlin is already saying necessary safe call is never used. Write code to add filter here. Oh, it's already mentioned the place where I have to change. Okay, that's good. But why I cannot see the outputs? Okay, let's forget about the outputs. Seems like they are not going to work. So let's go to the problems and start solving. Let's start with main activity, okay? Parameter, mean, okay. Write code to, okay, filters. What we have to filter here? Get employee, a salary less than or more than. Let me think. Filter employed. Always gonna be empty. Okay. Update screen with the empty. Got it. So let me think about this. Full employee array list. Let me think how I'm going to filter this. What we have to do is map. It's a map, right? We can use a filter. We have a filter. I think it employee. I think that's gonna work. Filter employee. So employee has salary less than and more. Okay. But we don't have autocomplete. Oh my god, we don't have it. Let me see which properties we have here. Salary. Yeah, makes sense. Salary is less less than minimum salary. What? Maximum salary should be less of maximum salary, right? And employee filter. Salary should be greater than the minimum salary. Greater or equal? It's just greater, right? I think that's it. Okay, it's employee. This is correct. Minimum salary. Yeah, minimum salary. That's correct. Just put like here. The filter. That's the filter, my friend. Why you complaining now? What is this? Mismatch list 2. It's just 2. Array list. That's it. Simple as that. Let's go. Right? Filtered mutable list 2. Mutable list. What I'm doing? I think I'm in the wrong place. I'm sorry. What is this? This is a mutable list. What is this? What is this is expecting? A mutable list. 2 mutable list. Okay. This is gonna work. Get salary. Let me see. Run. Codes to filter. I think that's it. Filters. Why would we start without anybody? Salary. What is this? Get employees are less than and more than. Sorry, less than minimum salary. The minimum is 50. Maximum, I don't know, 200 maximum. Yeah, this is not a good salary. Let me see. Salary is less. Let me see. Still not working. It's not working. I don't know why, but when I select only no filter, it does work. So I have a guy here with a. Okay, when we select no filter, it does work. Okay. Filter. And then we just notify. I think this is working. But why wouldn't just this only works when we select no filter? Let me check here. This is filter num. All. I think it's all, right? Let me see who's using all. Cannot select this. Okay. Get button. So this is not being printed. maybe because, but it is working, I guess. Dialogue, gap button, sets, listening. Okay. What we have here? Filter. Checkbox 1. If. Let me see the ifs. I have a condition to get here. Let me see. Checkbox 2 or and or so it's checked. So both. So 2 and 3. What does this checkbox means? Let me open this filter. I think 1 should be this, 2. So we have a logic here. Let me open this. Click here. So I have checkbox, but we also have the field names, right? Choose option, and then we are gonna call choose option in the listener. It's miss text. That's good. So let me see what happened. The filter, the default one is this one over here. This filter all, and if it's checked, this is. Let me just. This should not close. Okay. So this is true. So if 1 is checked, let me see, it's checked. If the checkbox, I think this is the 2. This is stupid because they should have names, right? They should have names. I hate this so much. I have no time to fix this. This should be 2. What happened? This is horrible. Checkbox. Let me see. Filter salary. A bunch of if and else's just to set. So salary less and more. It happen if salary is more than and less than. This is 6. And can I check more things? Oh, I can. Okay. So I can check the name. Just confused as fuck. This is so confused. All employees was name equals and salary less than 0. Okay. Let me see for my things. So contains. Yeah, I don't wanna. I just wanna salary. Salary is more. But I have to put the maximum. Okay. Now I got it. For 50 minimum salary and maximum salary 150. Let me see. Still not working. Why? Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the last one. So let me see what happened when 6 is checked. Okay, we have this situation over here. If or 6 is checked, what I need A. So check 1. Name a part of the name. So check, or 2 is checked, or this one of those 2 have to be checked. I can check this. No, two. I have to search for name. So name contains, and then this one. Name contains, I don't know. A. I think we are good. Now this should close. Okay, good. But no filters. Let's go. Okay. John. So we have no A in the names. John and okay, I want just to appear BB. So I want O. So okay. Let me see. So salary. So what I want is a name with O. So name contains O and the salary, minimum maximum salary. So minimum will be this. Minimum will be like at least 200, max 1,000. Okay, that Joe, one of them, yeah. Okay, that's not good. Okay, filter again. We're not saving the filters. So start with O. Name contains. We're gonna do something like this. Minimum 200. Dot 200, not 2000. To that dot 00. I think this is. And I don't know, a maximum, max would be like yeah, I think this is gonna filter out only Joe. Let's see. Yeah, it's not working for some reason. Whose name contains O. Let me see. So this should be the filter being applied. Let me see, who calls this? Oh my god. No one was calling this. Oh. Okay. Let me see. Part of solid less and more. Part name. This is the guy that I should call. So I should call it right over here. Get salary less than or more. Employee name less than. Employee contains part of name less than. Employee contains part of name less than and more than. This is the place actually. Jesus Christ. This is the worst challenge I did in my life. This part over here that I worked here, where this over here should not be here. So it's array list. I'm gonna do one. When I be able to do one, I will be able to do all of them. So this is the employee contains part of name less than more than. After this, we should just update this stuff. Part of name. So what a filter. Two filters over here. N. Nossa, já tá na hora já? Pode deixar na marmita. Obrigado, mozão. Yo, man, the time's passed. I just forget about it. Just forget about it. Just... Yeah. I was about to... I don't know why I start this. I cannot stop now. So name equals name. We have name here. Part of the name. Okay, employee. Employee. I think it's name, right? Contains. And then it's just part of the name. Part name. Okay. That's what we do. So salary, employees less than maximum salary, and I think that's the filter. Let's do it. Let me just check employee name. His name, right? His name. So we are good here. Let's run this. Oh, have run tests. Let me see the tests. I don't have to write tests, right? Please. Don't tell me that I have to write tests. Write a code filter here. Yeah, oh yeah, another thing that I have to do, forget about it. Just forget about it. I have to add my code over here. This code that I just... Let's get employee contains name right over here. Right? So this is the name. I'm gonna call this because we are not calling this anywhere. So maximum salary. What is the parameters? Part of the name. This part of the name. Part name. Mean salary. Boom 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 boom. Mean salary and max salary. Max salary. Now we are talking. My face is in the front of. Put my face over here. It's okay. Keep my face in the same place. I don't care. Do filter. Should start without any filter. Not sure, but yeah. Let me test this. So the less minimum salary. So we have O. I want someone that contains O. Minimum salary. Minimum salary could be 200, man. And maximum salary, maximum is 900. Yeah, 900. Is more than, less than, and have O. The guy should have O in the name. So okay. Oh, come on, man. 900 and more than. Why it's not working? For all employees whose name contains zero, actually, and salary is less than. Okay, this is wrong. No, this is wrong. Minimum salary is less than 900. Oh, it's less than. Should be less. 900 and max 200. It contains contains O. So salary more than 200. More than and less than. Okay. More than. Yeah, it's not working. This should be invoked. Part of the name. Minimum salary. Let me see my filter. Minimum salary. Salary is less than maximum salary, and it's greater. Float. Is this being executed? I'm not sure. Par name salary, less and more. Par name salary. Employee equal name less than. Filter. If this is true, we're gonna receive the filter, right? Exactly. So my salary is less than the max. Name, part of the name. Oh. Max, let me see. Minimum. 900. Max salary. I don't know. Salary is more than and less than. Let me see if it's gonna work. Yeah, my logic's just. But when we fix this, is enable true notify. Yeah, this should be called. Is this one, right? Get employee contains part of name less than and more than. And no filter less and more. Let me see. Yeah, this is complicated because we are not sure if this is. Part of the name, less and more. Part of the name, salary, less. So in order to just be set, we should have the check 3. Let me see. And this contains. Okay, my man. Contains. And this. Exactly. 3 and 6. Filter no. Filter no name. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me filter again. Yeah, it's not calling. Choose option. And main activity. Choose option. I think it's here, right? Choose option. We have no logs for this. This is a really difficult stuff because I don't know how to see the logs. Okay. Name, salary. Let me try another one. Yeah, this is just wrong. Let me see. Name, salary, more. Let me try a simple one. Get all. Get all. Let me see this. Name, salary, more. Okay. Let me try on name, less. Name contains part of the name, less and more. Part name, salary, less. This is a good one. Okay, part of the name. Let me grab the part of the name. Get employee. Less than. Because I'm not sure if this is a full employee. Yeah, we are using full employee array. And passing the filter one. So get employee salary, get employee equal name, not equal. Get employee contains part name less than. Or less than. And we have already 1 hour, man. We are fucked. So contains part of the name. And we pass in the filter version. That's good. This is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. I think I'm failing at this already. Yeah. Let me try this. Okay. After this contains, we're going to get employee contains part of the name. In here, as part of the name, less than. Okay, less than. Part of the name, less. Part of the name, salary, less. This is the guy. Less than. Part the name. Max salary. Salary. Yeah, that's good. Run. "29 minutes remaining. We still have a lot of questions here. Which follow properties describe a loader? A bunch of questions. Filter. Let's go. So we have part of the name. I wanna. Oh, let me. First of all, let me just run the this without filter. So John, I want on John. Part of the name will be John. Less than part of the name. It's John. Name contains John. And salary is less than. So maximum value. I don't know. 900. Okay. It should appear only John. Find all employees. John and salary is less than. Filter again. We have a huge bug there, man. No filters. Oh, John don't. Okay, John don't have. Okay, let me try again. John. And salary is less. Name is John. Salary less than maximum salary. Less than, I don't know. Yeah, should be John. John should appear, man, because his salary is less than this. Yeah. John and salary is less than 300. Let me see. Filters. Let me do it again. No filter. Okay. Do we have a problem here? Salary. Let me see the adapter. Salary to string. Name. Okay. Same salary, yeah. Max salary. There's something wrong with my filter, for sure. Okay, everybody, that is true. Salary is less than max. A name contains. What contains return? I don't remember. Yeah, I think contains is true. To mutable list. Is this wrong? Filter employee array. Update list item. Update list item. Employee list. They're all. Clear. Okay, that's a problem, guys. I think I failed. I really failed. Let me just, because it's already 24 minutes going. That's stupid. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on here. Why this is not working? Because for me, this filter is working fine. Should I go to multiple list? How filter works? It should work fine. Employee, we have employee here. So this is. Well, do we have something? Employee. Salary. So we can do something like this with our employee. We can. This could be a bug or something, but look, we can do something like this. It. And also it. Not this one, but it. Got it? Yeah, we don't need to specify the variable. It. It. I don't know. Make no sense. Full, okay, full employees. Is this already set with information? Where is this variable? Because I didn't check if this is delete, insert employees. Let me see, check existing employee. I'm sorry. Where do we initialize this? Oh, right over here. 2 employees in each data. Okay. Filter full employee. Yeah, we are adding stuff. Full employee. Let's filter. Salary. Oh, min to max. Shorts for salary. Contains J. Salary is less than, I don't know, it's less. J and salary is less than 400. And then if you filter this and say okay, that works. But my filters are not working. Doesn't matter what I try. It's right over here. Get all. Let's see what it does. Get all. Full employee. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm using full employee, right? Full employee filter. What are you receiving here? Mutable lists. But what you want a list. Why? I know what I'm gonna do. I'll do like this. Result. I'm gonna do result. 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 This is result. Come on. Result. Employee contains part and name less. Okay, let me. Come on, man. You should go into this one. I will make everybody. I'm not sure. I think we should result. I don't know why I'm creating a mutable list. Result. Giving you. Let me see. What update does? Update the list. Filter. Get all. Why we are using this filtered mutable list? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go again. Another one. Let me see. Get salary. Let me just do this. Result. Bar result equals what we want. Full employee array list. Filter. Less than and more than. Its salary should be more than. Means less than minimum salary, and its salary should be greater than should be greater than and less than the max salary. This is the result, and then we just pass result here. Okay. Oh my god, sorry again. Let's go ahead and do another one. This is the same thing. Equals. Get the fuck out of here. Equals for result. What is this one? Get employee equal name less than. Equal name. Okay. Oh, we should have full employee array list. Filter. Name equals equal. Come on, man. Equal. I think it's equals. Equals name. And what else? name less than salary. Employee equal name less than, so we have 8. Salary should be less than the maximum value, of course. Should be less max salary. Result. Same thing here, man. Oh, this is employee equal name more than the equal name salary is greater to the mean. Result. Oh my god. Result. Same thing here. Oh, we have to do name less than, name equal less than and more than. So is greater than minimum salary, and its salary is less than max. Result. That's it. Everybody's up and running. Another one here is, oh my god, there's so many. Result. What do I have to do? Let me see. Get employee contains part of the name more than. So part of the name more than. This one over here can be. This one, just grab everything that is here and we are good. So we have what contains part of the name and more than. So mean salary, just this one. We're good. We're good. Inactivity. Timeout. What was timeout? Come on. Result. Oh, we're done. We're fucked. It's over, man. I failed. 11 minutes. It's already done, man. It's already over. So here we have what we have here. Salary, name salary more. Get what? Which function should be here? Name equals. But I don't know if the name is equal. Name, salary, name. I think it's equal, right? Okay, name. Get name. Employee name. Employee equals, and this is less, it's more. Employee name is okay. This one, what is this? Name, salary, less, and more. Okay. Get employee equal name name more than equal less than employee equal less and more. Get employee contains should be salary more, name more than, and this okay. That's good. That sounds good. Let's run tests. Upward run. Nice. Let's run the tests. Yeah. It seems like a easy test, but it isn't. It's not easy at all. It's really hard actually. Still confusing. Fail, fail, fail. Everything fail. Okay. Get through, expect through. Nothing is working. As I suspect. As I suspect. As I thought. Just like as I thought. But for some reason, these filters are not working properly. I have no idea why, man. I cannot, for me, filters work just fine. I don't think that's the issue with filter. The only one that is working correctly is this one over here. Let's just update screen, update list, employees, notify change, say yes, true. I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on here, man. Yeah, this is calling my filter stuff, and we are just updating. Why? Why did not work? I have no idea. So let me run this one more time. Yeah, I have no time to see this work. In each data, so we have filter here, and if we press like name Joe, contains salaries, minimum salary 50, maximum salary 900. So yeah, it's more than. Yes. Fine, and then we don't find anything here for some reason. I have no idea. I'm not sure if this is a bug or something, you know what I mean? Yeah, I failed. Let me see another things here real quick. Pick one option. When does this on start function get called? Start function when the user start interacting with the screen, when the activity becomes visible. Activity is visible. Interacting is resume. Let's another one. What does the content provider component do in Android application? Handle communicate between Android, handle data and database management issues, handle communication between Android OS and application, background, dedicated UI, content provider. I think this communication between Android OS applications. When the on resume gets called. When the activity interact, when the user start interacting, yes. That's another one. What does activity component do in the Android? What does activities component do in Android applications? Dedicate UI, their user interactions to dedicated the UI and the user interactions. I think just handle background process, handle communication. Yeah, this is the guy. Which following properties describe loader? Loader make easy to asynchronous load data activity or fragment. A loader make asynchronous load and activity fragment. Load does not make the easier asynchronous load activity. What? Do not. Load make easy to asynchronous load data. I think this loaders make it easy to asynchronous. I think that's the correct one. Which is generated after compiling the following code. Which error is generated? Okay, resource ID pass ambiguous because empty string. Resources cannot be empty. Resource ID cannot be an empty string. Resource it is not specified after. Pass is not specified. Source ID is ambiguous because we're almost done. Empty string. Is it bingo? I think this I don't know. I have no idea. Which of the following is direct subclass of view group? Direct subclass? All of them. Pick one. A direct view group? I think list view. Save. Submit test. I don't care. Confirm test close. Yes, close this test. I don't know. Yeah. I couldn't see the logs. Fuck off. That's it. Thank you for the watching. I failed brutally. This was brutal. Miserably. Thank you. Bye bye.